In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can change your Instagram call ringtone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
Now, ideally, to change Instagram call ringtone is the same procedure. You have to change the ringtone of your phone. Now, to do this, come to your settings. Once you come to settings, come to sound and vibration over there. So once you come to sound and vibration, you then come and look for ringtones. You can see, guys, here is my phone ringtone. Click on sim one, same as the ones for Instagram. Obviously, the changes we make here will obviously take effect in Instagram, so take note. So I'll choose this one or this one. After selecting that, you can go back and then your settings will be changed. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe.